Welcome to the Geodomas glamping world. Imagine a place where the beauty of nature perfectly blends with contemporary comfort, where every morning starts with sunshine and birdsong, and each evening ends in a cozy, warm, and secure space beneath the stars. Geodomas invites you to experience a new perspective on outdoor leisure, without compromises, without limits, without giving up the comforts we're accustomed to. Geodomas glamping domes are designed for those who cherish harmony with nature, but do not want to sacrifice modern technology, design, or comfort. This is more than just a tent or campsite. It is an innovative, architecturally unique, and functional living space created to make every outdoor moment extraordinary. Each dome is designed with meticulous attention to detail and respect for the environment, blending naturally into the landscape and becoming an integral part of it. Glamping domes offer solutions for those who seek more tranquility, more comfort, more inspiration, and more opportunities. These spaces suit everyone, whether you're looking to create a luxurious private oasis, planning a romantic weekend for two, organizing a camp with friends, designing a creative studio, or even creating a unique space for business events or educational activities surrounded by nature. Every Geodomas glamping dome feels like a little miracle. At first glance, it enchants with its geometric shape and lightness, and once inside, surprises with its spaciousness, brightness, coziness, and modern technologies. Here, every visitor can enjoy comfort regardless of the season, weather conditions, or climate challenges. Warmth, silence, natural light, and fresh air become your everyday reality, and nature itself becomes your home. Geodomas invites you to leave behind stereotypes about outdoor recreation and embrace a modern glamping experience, where every decision is thoughtfully considered, and everything needed for quality leisure awaits your arrival. This is more than just staying outdoors, it's a new approach to living, to your relationship with yourself, others, and the world around you. Geodomas glamping domes embody versatility and freedom. Each dome easily adapts to various needs, ideas, and environments, making it a dream location for individual tranquility seekers as well as larger group experiences. These spaces are perfect for those wanting to escape urban hustle and immerse themselves in nature without compromising on comfort and style. A glamping dome can become a luxurious getaway for two, a cozy family vacation spot, or a special location for an unforgettable evening with friends beneath the stars. The interior can be cozy and minimalist or sophisticated and modern, featuring all contemporary home comforts, heating, lighting, bathrooms, spacious beds, or even a dedicated workspace. Often, Geodomas glamping domes are chosen by hotel chains, recreation centers, resorts, tourism complexes, spa areas, and event organizers looking to create an exclusive, memorable nature stay. Such domes become true attractions, captivating guests with their form and allowing each visitor to forge a personal connection with their surroundings. Business clients also discover the advantages of these domes. They can easily host creative studios, modern conference spaces, mobile education centers, or exhibition halls. Ergonomic interiors filled with natural light inspire creativity, and the dome structure ensures comfort even in large, open spaces. Most importantly, each Geodomas glamping dome can be completely unique. Choose a loft on the second floor, panoramic windows for sunrise views, a spacious terrace for summer evenings, or even a private spa area with hot tubs. All architecture is designed considering client vision and site specifics, making each project original and unforgettable. A glamping dome becomes your personal nature space, adaptable and changeable to fit your lifestyle, mood, or seasonal needs. Geodomas glamping domes are crafted to ensure comfort and coziness every day of the year, regardless of weather or season. Unique multi-layered thermal insulation walls guarantee a suitable interior temperature and pleasant acoustics. No strong winds are heard inside, and the summer heat or winter cold remains outside the dome. Insulation materials conserve energy, ensuring warmth even in the coldest weather and refreshing coolness in summer. Each dome is equipped with advanced heating, ventilation, and climate control systems, enabling comfortable microclimate adjustments according to your needs. This ensures quietness, fresh air, and natural light even in remote natural areas. Modern window solutions not only allow ample natural daylight but also efficiently protect from UV rays and intense summer heat. Sustainability is a core value for Geodomas. Glamping dome construction uses only durable, environmentally friendly materials, ensuring structure longevity even in challenging conditions. Strong winds, heavy rain, snow, and extreme temperature fluctuations pose no threat. This means domes are ideally suited for both harsh northern climates and sunny southern environments, with a service life spanning decades. A major advantage is the quick and simple installation. Domes can be assembled without complicated foundations or extensive earthwork, making them ideal for temporary or permanent camping grounds, homesteads, or even seasonal resorts. If necessary, a dome can be easily transported and relocated without losing any quality or functionality. Geodomas glamping domes incorporate modern, energy-saving technologies, innovative ventilation and climate control systems, smart electrical installations, and possibilities for integrating solar collectors or other renewable energy systems. This allows comfortable living while conserving resources and protecting the environment. This synergy of technology, design, and nature creates cozy, safe, comfortable, and environmentally friendly living spaces. Geodomas glamping domes represent a fresh approach to leisure, recreation, creativity, or even work surrounded by nature. Choose Geodomas and start crafting your dream glamping experience today, enjoying total comfort and freedom wherever your heart takes you.